Hello gorgeous people, my name is Jen, also known as Interior Designerella on social media, and I have been dreaming of the day when I can revamp my closet into a closet since I spend so much time in there, and Tailored Living has come alongside to make this dream come true. We are sitting down for a powwow discussing the initial design. I love how Dana is able to incorporate all of our perspectives and thoughts. It really was such an easy process communicating and putting together the dream. This is what it looks like before they did the install. They arrived ready to work with excellent safety precautions. The entire team was extremely professional and respectful. Coming into the home, it wasn't very invasive, and they cleaned up every day at the end of their shift. They communicated well with me. They kept me posted on what they were working on. They showed me things along the way. It really was such a fun journey to have them there. I actually missed having them come over.